So my name is Sanjeev Goyal. I'm the Senior Vice President Operation. I'm responsible for the complete Sub-Saharan Africa for Olam Grains. We are flour millers. We import the wheat from various origins like USA, Russia, in the Baltic regions, Europe. We import the wheat and we do the grinding, and we sell as a various type of flour like noodle flour, biscuit flour, and even pasta. Our core function is milling. We don't want to defocus. So hence we have given the annual maintenance contract to the local dealer which is Mantrack, and they are working very closely with us and they have ensured zero downtime till now. The power is a lifeline, and in Nigeria grid power is almost non-existent. And when gas is not available, we have to run the Caterpillar generators, which is a lifeline to our machines. If I lose even 1 hour, we'll be losing close to $10 million kind of sales value. So it's so expensive to lose even 1 hour. It's very important to run the machines seamlessly. Otherwise, we'll lose a lot of money. Without Mantrack and Caterpillar, our business cannot grow. So they are partner in our growth.
We will get assistance from Mantrack for 24/7 people here, assisted here. So their people are here always 24/7. And we have the maintenance contract with them. If whenever required, they will assist their people to come. And not only that one, every month their senior engineers are coming to the site. Even the machine is not running also, they are coming and inspecting the sites. And compare that is in Lagos. And Port Harcourt also the same agreement. Port Harcourt usage is little bit more. So frequency of visit from the Mantrack side is more than what Lagos is happening. And we are happy with the service. They know about these engines. So they are the right people to give us the guidance to run these expensive assets. That is why we choose Mantrack and CAT. We look into three factors. One is efficiency of the engines, another is maintenance cost of the engines, and service support. I cannot say it is cheaper than other options. It will be obviously, it will be little bit expensive. But in an overall term, if you look into the overall term, engine effectiveness, efficiency, and etc. If you are doing with the Mantrack or original Caterpillar parts, we will get 100% full efficiency. Then if you go for a long term, it will be the cheaper. So that is the way we are calculating. If a normal case, if somebody else is doing, for example, one of our sister concern, they are also having the same Mantrack engine. They did the top end overhauling by somebody else, and within 1 month everything got damaged, all the piston, everything got damaged, and now Mantrack is on it. So whatever the money we spend on that previous contract, it is waste, right? So in a long time, always going to the Mantrack and CAT, that will be the cheaper option. For me, Mantrack or CAT is not a service provider. For me, they are our business partner. Okay, so we for running our plan in an efficient way, Caterpillar's role is as a there is a big role. They have a very big role in our plant operation effectively. So for us, running a power plant effectively is very important for us.
I've been supporting Olam since 2016. Then they were going to, they bought over the Boa Group and they were going to carry out the overhaul. So we've been in touch with them. We successfully carried out the overhaul, and about 2017, they completed the projects, which are the 635/16s, 3 in Lagos and 3 in Port Harcourt. So we took them on board on maintenance contracts, and we've been good. We offer the customer complete services. They have the remote access monitoring device. They have the CAT Connect. They do the PCC. They can check. We also offer them the operational maintenance contract as well. Connectivity, one of the benefits it has is they can remotely monitor their systems whenever they are. For example, like you spoke to the vice president technical, if he's not around, he knows that anywhere he is, he can have remote access to the system. He knows if there are loss of diesel, he knows if the machines are running, and all of that things. One of the primary benefits is because of the sensitivity of the customer and because of the nature of the job it does, we can't have downtime. So the best option is to have an O&M contract where we know that at any particular point in time, midnight, early hours of the morning, the customer's generators are up and running and there are no issues absolutely. So that way we can save cost for the customer, and that way we know that we are maintaining our equipment as well. I would recommend an O&M contract for a manufacturing customer like this, where time is of essence, power is of essence. Every second lost means a lot of money to them. You rather go for an O&M so you know you go to sleep. And also, they are not doing O&M for one generator, they are doing it for all 3 generators. So if one generator is down, the other is up, and everything is there, then what we've done as well is we've worked with the customers in such a way that we have their work plan, we understand their structure of business, so we can predict what they will need XYZ time. And we have also worked back end with our logistics people, our parts operations, so that we know that oil, parts, none is a challenge, and we always have it available at any required time.